Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to WooCommerce for integrating with no-code apps, full guide step by step clearly. Navigate to the main page and look for the Get Started or Start Free button. Click on that button to begin the subscription process. You will need to create an account if you don't already have one. Fill in your email address and create a password for your account. After inputting your details, you may need to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from WooCommerce. Click the verification link in the email to activate your account. Once your account is verified, log into the WooCommerce platform. Now, locate the plans or pricing section on the website. Review the various subscription plans available to you. Select a plan that best suits your needs for integrating with no-code apps. You will now be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill in the required payment details to finalize your subscription. Confirm your purchase by clicking the button that completes the transaction. Upon successful payment, you will receive a confirmation email from WooCommerce. Log back into your WooCommerce account to access your subscription dashboard. Here, you can find your API keys needed for integration with no-code apps. Navigate to the API section to generate these keys. Make sure to copy and save your API keys securely. You are now ready to integrate WooCommerce with your preferred no-code app. Follow the integration instructions specific to the no-code platform you choose. Ensure all necessary fields are completed for a seamless connection. Once integration is set up, test the connection to verify functionality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.